Ready to feel the wind in your hair? Let's check out the top 5 bikes of 2024. First up, the Yamaha MT-10 SP. This beast packs a 998cc engine with razor-sharp handling. It's a rocket on 2 wheels with a comfort level that's through the roof. Next, the Ducati Panigale 5 4R. Pure Italian elegance meets raw power. With 221 horsepower, it's a track monster that's surprisingly street-friendly. Number 3, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. A legend reborn, it's got advanced aerodynamics and a chassis that hugs every curve. Perfect for those who live for speed. Then we have the Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250. Adventure awaits with this versatile powerhouse. It's rugged, reliable, and ready to conquer any terrain, from highways to dirt roads. Last but not least, the BMW S1000 RRR. This superbike is a tech marvel. With cutting-edge electronics and a blistering top speed, it's built for the thrill seekers. So which one's calling your name? Drop a comment and let us know. Subscribe to the channel, like, and comment for more videos. Ride safe and see you on the road.